Okay, so this is the first time I'm screencasting from my laptop, and the reason why I'm screencasting is because I decided to reinstall my Arch system because I'm completely moving from Windows. So that's this is a 1 TB hard disk. And Arch takes up to 300 gigs. So I'm completely deleting Windows and reinstalling Arch. So as a part of that process, I decided to make a screencast just because I can refer to this thing later. And that's the only idea, and just to showcase my things. So you cannot find this i3 blocks set up anywhere on the internet. I made it myself. I think with 2 days. I sit and made it with 2 days, and I'm using ArchLINUX-LTS version 5.4, and I'm running okay. So I'm completely satisfied with my system, and the reason why I'm reinstalling is that. So let me quickly show you my i3 blocks. So this is little art icon. If somebody is new to my system, they shouldn't get lost. So I made it just because they can, from their common sense, they can sense that that's an app menu, so they can just click on it and select whatever they need, and then they can choose it. But I never use it. Just for the people those are new to my system, they can choose it, make use of that, and that's just one line of code. That's it. In fact, the font I got from Photos on the website. Okay, so Win apps, yeah, apps.sh. This is it. This is just I think this is a click instance. No, I mean block instance. This is a block instance declaring that this is clickable, and then a fancy D menu with monospace font and color with red. That's it. And this is battery. You might go at that just because it's falling really fast. One of the reasons I never use desktop, i3 blocks or display server, I never use it. I mostly use TTYs. The first reason is power consumption. I can get what I need to do. I can get things done with TTY. I rarely use display server. In fact, I have one script. If I show you that, yeah, you can see the script is start stdm. Yeah, okay. Oops. So this is script I declared in the EZSHRC file. So this is really simple. I don't want to start the display server most of the time. So for convenience, even if I have to, I don't have to type in, start display server, whatever. So for convenience, I made this simple script. So this is all about if the display server is not active, it will ask whether or not to start display server, and if my choice is yes, it will start. stdm is symbol ls for starting the display server, and if I don't need display server, that's an else case, and it will set a fancy TTY font, and that's it. And the next thing that I like to show is this power button. That's simple. Mostly I like to sleep my system most of the time, so for convenience I put that sleep and power here. So if I type yes, it will go ahead and put this system into sleep, and that's also simple script. That's not a big thing, but I will show you that. That's in the scripts folder, but I don't remember the power button. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is just one line of code. yes or no, type in the D menu, and if the choice is yes, it will ask yeah, go ahead and power off. But there is a confirmation which shut down, power off. Yeah, that's it. This is it. So the next thing is all about. There is something that I'm missing. There is just a click instance. So this shouldn't be. Let me guess. Sleep power off. So yeah, sleep off. That's it. Because I thought that that's not a click instance. So how would it display it? So I'm sorry about that. But why did I make that script? I have to rethink. Anyway, that's another story. So this is it. This is the block instance. So when you click on it, you'll get power off or sleep. And if it's yes, then go ahead and sleep. And if it's no, suspend. Whatever. That's self-explanatory. And you can see a little airplane icon here. So whenever I connect to the network, you can see the signal strength and bandwidth there. So those scripts are self-made, but the bandwidth script I got from internet, and then the network script I integrated the bandwidth and the signal strength into one script so that I can I have to only declare one block in the i3 block. So that's my idea. But the bandwidth script is from internet. That's just 5 lines of code, I think. Okay, so let me quickly show my i3 configs. So this is the i3 config, i3 blocks config file. There is nothing much. Interval is updating in 2 seconds. This is one thing I don't like. I would like to change, and maybe in the future video I will change this interval to something else, because there is a nice little thing in network manager called network dispatcher. I'm sure that I don't know. Yeah, this is it. So this is a thing that whenever you connect or disconnect your network, you can do some specific thing. So when you, in this case, if you say your i3 blocks interval is 2 seconds, it will every time go ahead and look for network. It's a simple waste of resource. 3 blocks. Say this, my script is running in each 2 seconds. That's simply waste of thing. So what I like to do is add a dispatcher script, so that whenever the network is up or down, it will do that specific thing. Maybe I will replace the interval with something else. I will do that on a separate video. Of course I will. After this reinstallation, maybe I will continuously record videos from my laptop. I'm thinking about that. So this is the first time I'm recording a screencast software in my laptop. I never recorded a video from this art system, and yeah, this is my uptime, just because I can catch up with my battery backup with my uptime. Now the uptime is 53 minutes. Oh, time is running fast. Okay, so that's it, and this is my current temperature, and this is my power, and that's it. And you can change the wallpaper whenever I refresh my i3 blocks. That's it. That's not a big thing. So just to showcase my things and just to refer myself, what are the things I made, and that's why I recorded this video. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, I will make future videos. I think, yeah, I will think about it. Nothing fancy. Okay, so that's it now, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Yeah.